To add the Bitcoin network on Coinbase Wallet, start by opening the Coinbase Wallet app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app, download and install it from the App Store. Once the app is open, tap on the settings icon, which is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon. Next, tap on the Advanced tab. Then select the cryptocurrency you want to add. In this case, Bitcoin. Tap on the Add Asset button. Then select Bitcoin from the list of available assets. The Bitcoin network will be added to your wallet, and you will see the Bitcoin balance in your wallet. To receive Bitcoins, go to the Receive tab. Then select the Bitcoin network. The app will display your Bitcoin address, which you can share with the sender. To send Bitcoins, go to the Send tab. Enter the recipient's Bitcoin address and the amount you want to send. When sending Bitcoins, make sure to select the correct network fee to ensure your transaction is processed quickly. The network fee is the fee you pay to the miners for verifying your transaction. A higher fee will result in a faster transaction, while a lower fee may result in a slower transaction. It is also important to note that Coinbase Wallet supports multiple Bitcoin networks, including the Bitcoin mainnet and the Bitcoin testnet. The mainnet is the live Bitcoin network, while the testnet is a testing network used for development and testing purposes. To switch between the different Bitcoin networks, go to the Settings tab. Then select the network you want to use. Make sure to understand the differences between the networks before switching, as transactions on the testnet are not real and will not affect your actual Bitcoin balance. In conclusion, adding the Bitcoin network on Coinbase Wallet is a straightforward process that requires a few simple steps. By following these steps, you can start receiving and sending Bitcoins on the Coinbase Wallet app. Always make sure to use the correct network and fee when sending Bitcoins to ensure your transactions are processed quickly and securely.